If you're having problems with your radio, the radio might not be messed up, your firmware may just be out of date. This is the Alpine ilx-650 and I'm going to show you how to update this radio. From the main menu, you want to go to setup, then information. Once you click on that, I want you to take note of the MCU version and the system version, because these two version numbers are going to let us know whether we are out of date or up to date. Now either both of these or one of these start to go out of date, it can cause your radio to act up. So first thing we want to do is go to the actual website. I usually go to Google, I type in my model number and then type firmware update, and then after I do my search, I make sure that it comes directly from the manufacturer's website. A lot of times you will find other links from people who have found one and then put it up on the forum. I still don't trust that because I don't know what I'm downloading. Here at the website, it says firmware update version, and we're going to see two group of numbers, but they're going to be on the same line. That first group that has two underscores is going to be our system version, and the one that says F037 is going to be our MCU. Those MCU versions are the same, but the system versions are different, so we definitely need to update those. Right up under that, you're going to see the last time it was updated by date and a list of issues that have actually been fixed by this update. Once you scroll down, you can actually go to the directions and it will pull up a PDF form. It's going to show you exactly what you need to do as far as downloading it, what type of USB you need to use as far as size. Also, it's going to let you know that it's going to download as a zip file, so you're going to need to extract it. And most importantly, is do not just copy the files to the USB, but you need to copy the entire folder, which is very important. Back at the main page, right up under the instructions, we're going to go ahead and download the file. There's no need to open the file because we need to extract it first. So we're going to go to extract all. Screen pops up. We're going to click extract, and then a whole new folder will pop out. Once it does that, we're going to take the entire folder and then drag it to our USB. Now in this Forerunner, we went ahead and flush mounted the USB inside the cigarette lighter port. So we want to put the USB in, and then it's going to automatically read from the radio, but we want to go straight back to the setup, the button up there at the top left corner where it says firmware update. Now we want to press that, and then we're literally just going to let the radio do its thing. It's going to erase stuff and then rewrite stuff, and then once it gets done doing what it's going to do, updating both the MCU and the system version, it's going to cut itself off, restart, and then you want to go back to the exact same menu and make sure that both of those version numbers are up to date. Hope you guys found some type of value in this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling you to keep going and keep growing. Have a blessed day. Peace.